Hello, good people, and welcome to Finance Skills Hub. Here, we learn, we connect, and we grow. Not all of us are good at PowerPoint presentation and design, but if you have your data for presentation in Microsoft Word, in this short video, I'll show you one trick you can use to quickly create a full PowerPoint presentation in just a click. So join me and let's go through this in 5 minutes.
So we start off with this Word document. It contains all the information I need to create my PowerPoint presentation. It helps if you've already formatted it in terms of headings, subheadings, and all that. So it is also important that you save the Word document on your OneDrive folder. So we are going to open it online using OneDrive. So F12 to save us. I'll locate my OneDrive folder here and I'll save this document on my OneDrive. So once I'm done with this process, I can now go online and then go to onedrive.com or onedrive.live.com, and here when I come to my recent files, I'll see the file that I just opened here. So I'll just open the file. So I'm currently viewing this document online on onedrive.live.com. Now when you open your Word document, you go to File, okay, and over here you have some options. So we are going to use Export. So I'll click Export, and there's this new feature under Preview. I'm sure you'll get better over time. We are exporting the Word document to a PowerPoint presentation. So I'll click here, and based on the content, it will suggest some themes to you. So you can go through, you can even see more themes and then choose the one that fits probably your corporate style. Okay, so for this purpose, I'm going to use this one. So once I click and I choose Export, it goes through the process based on the content, and yay, my presentation is ready. So I'll open my presentation, and just like that, based on the content of my Word document, it just creates my PowerPoint presentation. The good thing about this is that if you're not okay with the design, you can use the designer feature here and then go through some other formats, but at least you are more than halfway through the process of creating your PowerPoint presentation. So explore, get your data in Word, open it in OneDrive, and then export to PowerPoint using this feature. And it's going to reduce the amount of time you use creating this presentation from scratch. Please practice and add it to your list of office tricks. Thanks for watching. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list so you receive our videos directly. All our old videos are on our YouTube channel, Finance Skills Hub. Please visit, subscribe for notification of new videos, or connect with us on any of these social media handles. Thank you so much for watching.